I know about this course through my friend who is practicing in aesthetic medicine when I told him about my interest in this aesthetic medicine. Yeah, so I just found it online and I just signed up. So my favorite part of the course is the practical part, the hands-on part, where I can actually have a real life experience on real patients, because they do let us practice on real patients on how to do it properly with the guidance of the speaker and the mentor. I think for anyone who really look into having a hands-on experience, I think this would be the right place for you to go, because you will really get to practice on real patients, and at the same time you have the mentor and the speaker to guide you on the spot. I think if anyone is keen to attend any aesthetic course, I think this is the place that you should try. Yeah.